Hey guys, in here today I have another review. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Ak-47 switchblade that I got from Amazon. And so I got this from Amazon like maybe a year ago. I'm not really sure when I got it, but it is a switchblade. So you pull the lock down and then you press it open, and then you open it by pressing the button, by pressing the release button that's on the handle, which is right here. So you press it, hang on, and there we go. So you have to put the lock up. You gotta, so up is unlocked and down is locked. So it's kind of like this one where down is locked and up is unlocked on this one. Whereas on this one, down is unlocked. Where to unlock it, you just hang on. Wait, no, right correction. It's the same thing. So up is unlocked, and on this one, it's the same. And it also has a very similar construction with using screws, as this one and this one both use screws. But anyway, just forget about this one. Back to this knife. So it has a bayonet blade, or kind of like a bowie knife style blade, or whatever it's called. It's got a little hole in the middle, which I'm assuming is for like a bayonet if you want to put it on the end of like a rifle. It is, you could do that. And it also, you would have to also use this little hole to hang it on like a rifle. And then I don't know what this is for. Oops. Like, I have no clue what this could be for. Like, it's spring-loaded, and it's like you push this, and then this side kind of comes out once you push this. So I don't know what that's for. But yeah, spring-loaded is stamped Ak-47 cccp. I don't know what that means. What the bottom row of letters mean. I'm not sure what that means, but yeah. It is these handle scales. These are real wood, and there's also this, which I'm assuming that this is for like to hang it from a gun. So it's kind of like this Strike Force knife that I got. This one is stamped US 1942. So, let me try and... There we go. Like, they got little holes in them where... But this one's got like multiple little... It's got multiple little holes in here for like the bayonet. So, yeah. But I mean, I'm pretty sure the way you would hang it from a bayonet is you would put it through here. You would hang it up, put a little thing I'm pretty sure that this is like meant to go on the end of a rifle, so on the barrel. If you had the rifle like this, you would stick it on, put the barrel through this hole, and then when you needed a knife, there you go. So, yeah, I guess that's how it would work. And then there's like a little, I guess, nail neck right here. So, yeah, that's basically it. I got this on Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. And it came with this sheath. It's just, this sheath is just a camo, you know, Velcro. It's got a little strap right here. Pretty basic, so yeah. That's the review. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys later. And bye.